Hey and welcome to another BlogHandy tutorial. Today we're learning how to integrate BlogHandy into a Swipe Pages site. So as you can see, I'm already in the Swipe Pages admin area and I have my page created here, my landing page, which is called blog. Now we'll click on it to start editing it. And the first step, I have one section here already. You can also create a new section by clicking on add a blank section, and you can select what format you want your blog to be in. I selected full width. You could also do the 3/4, and on the side you might want to have some other content. Once you selected that, you will need to click on the plus button and then look for a module which is called HTML code. You can see it here. Click on it. Now we have to enter the BlogHandy HTML code here. First, head over to BlogHandy and copy the code from step 1. Just click the copy button, go back to Swipe Pages and paste the code here. Now go back to BlogHandy and copy and paste the code from step 2. I will just click on copy, go back, paste the code here, and then I click on save. Once the site has been saved, you can click on publish and then on view page. And there you have it. The BlogHandy blog is integrated and already working. But there's one last step we want to do. Just copy paste the URL, head back to BlogHandy, go to settings, and paste the URL here under blog URL. Go down, click on save all changes. We go back to our blog, refresh, and now it's fully working. You can click on the blog posts, they're loading on your Swipe Pages site. You can go back to your blog, and that's it. Thanks for watching.